Yes. Hello students. Today we are going to study trigonometry proof problem. This proof problem can be solved in several ways. Now I am going to start this. This is left hand side and that is right hand side. I am going to start with right hand side. What is right hand side? RHS equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. If you get like this, what you have to do, you have to multiply by this. What is the denominator? 1 plus cos theta. So you have to multiply by 1 minus cos theta, both the numerator and denominator. So for making equivalent fraction, how we will multiply a fraction with the same number? We are multiplying this by same expression, 1 minus cos theta. So this will become what you will get, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta the whole square by this 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta will become is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b will become a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. And you all know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So what is 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta? So I am going to apply 1 minus cos theta the whole square by what I will get, sin square theta. Now how I am going to write is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta the whole square. Now this can be divided like 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta the whole square. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta minus cos theta by sin theta is cot theta the whole square. This is nothing but, you see, this is nothing but left hand side. Cosecant theta minus cos theta the whole square. So this is equal to left hand. See, we are going to take the second problem. This is, you see, left hand side and that is right hand side. I am going to start with the left hand side. So you see left hand side equal to cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. 1 plus sin A by cos A. For this you have to take LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is 1 plus sin A into cos A is your LCM, right? 1 plus sin A into cos A is your LCM. And up you will get, here 1 plus sin A is there. See here, if you take here 1 plus sin A is there, what is not there? Cos A is not there. So you multiply both the numerator and denominator by cos A, right? The same way here cos A is there, what is not there? 1 plus sin A. So both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin A, already it is multiplied. So first term by cos A, second term by 1 plus sin A, okay? So I am going to multiply this. Cos A into cos A will become what? Cos square A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A will become 1 plus sin A the whole square. 1 plus sin A the whole square, and the middle you get what? Middle you get plus, that plus is coming, right? That is equal to, now we are going to expand, right? This 1 plus sin A the whole square I am going to expand using A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, correct? So now cos square A will come as such, 1 plus sin A the whole square, 1 square, A square, 1 square is 1, plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into sin a, 2 sin a plus sin square a plus sin square a b square by 1 plus sin a into cos a, right? Now you see cos square a plus sin square a will become 1. Last sum only we used to know sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So what will happen? Uh, this and this will become 1, right? So I'm going to take it as 1 plus another things will come 1 plus 2 sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a, 1 plus sin a into cos a. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 2 plus 2 sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a. 1 plus sin a into cos a. And you have to take 2 out. Take 2 out. When you take 2 out, what you will get? Here 1 will come, sin a will come. 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a. 1 plus sin a into cos a. So this 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin a will get cancelled. 2 into 1 by cos a, right? This will become 2 into 1 by cos a. What is 1 by cos a? Secant a. 2 into secant a. So this is nothing but right hand side RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Is it clear? Now we are going to see the next problem.